You want to learn how to load a medium format camera, one like this. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. First off, you'll need film. Okay, what we have here is Lomo color negative at 800 speed. Okay, next, what you're gonna need is a medium format camera. This one is Yashica 635 TLR with two lenses, one for viewing and one for taking. It has a very lovely waist level viewfinder and the magnifier at that. And then we're set. Okay, so step one, you need to open the camera. Here we open it and put it upside down and open it. So you'll notice that you don't have a spool here. So usually these type of cameras already have a spool down here. So what you'll need is pull this and take it. Then next is you move it on the upper part. Make sure it's secured safely. Then next, your film. So what you're gonna need is to pull this tab, peel it apart. Okay, so I'll remove this. So you'll have the tab there. Next step is to put this film into the bottom spool. You'll be able to pull this up tightly and gently till you have enough to insert it in the slot up there and start to turn. Then when you see this, you'll need to match this up with the red arrows on the camera. So once you go there, now you're all set. You close the camera, spin it the other way, and spin the film advance till you have number 1. Okay, then you're all set. Okay, so now that you're all set, your film is loaded, now go shoot. Hopefully the next part I'll show you how to unload the finished film, and so stay tuned for the next part. See you guys.